One, two, tree. Tree deer. Mama and two babies. That means Daddy's around somewhere, I bet. Oh, kitty.
Pizza box.
Nice rat rod. Wow. The truck behind me is not even following the state recommended 2-second space cushion for cars. The truck behind me is not even following the state recommended 2-second space cushion for cars. I don't like that. It takes a long time for him to stop.
Hi, I'm so sorry to bother you, dude. Me and my girlfriend ran out of fuel in my car. We're trying to get to Manchester. Would you happen to have anything you can help us gas-wise?
I'm completely broke.
Okay, dude.
Yeah, I wish I could help you, but I can't.
Alright, my man.
Sorry.
Thank you. When the freaking fan belt came off there, I've had
jeez. Oh, sorry, don't help with that shit.
I can't believe my luck today, man. I hear ya. We're fucking fan belt came off coming down the highway. We're trying to get back to New London. My father, he passed away a couple days ago, and that's where we're staying, so now we got the car in his car, and we made it halfway here, then the fucking fan belt came off. So we're sticking with that, and then we got the gas station working the fucking thing.
Oh, Jesus.
I got here, and all kind of crapped out. Sticking around under the hood, I thought that was a problem, and now it's totally out of fuel. I fixed the gauge, the fuse was out. So.
Oh, damn.
Now the gauge is working, so it's on bone dry. I'm like, there's a couple people in here, we get bone soup.
Yeah, especially if you're around the liquor store, because it's, you know, Labor Day weekend is a big thing, so.
Like a fucking idiot.
My dad died a couple days ago. I'm driving his car from Waterford, and serpentine belt breaks, and I fixed that. The gas gauge doesn't work, and then I fixed that, and the car's out of gas. And for Corolla, you got crunched. Yeah, if I had $1 every time somebody tried pulling that scam right around this intersection, I'd probably be able to quit my job for a while. Hi, I do not yield to traffic in the roundabout because I am more important. That's not frame rate shutter, that really is flickering. I'm gonna leave the camera going while I get my papers because the guy parked next to me backed into the guardrail 3 times and hit my car with his door. So the damage to the Trailblazer is pretty much confined to the hood itself. The hood sheet metal's pushed up a little bit on the leading edge. Headlights appear to be okay. The grille didn't matter because the grille wasn't in there. Over the winter she hit a deer, so she had to put in a new headlight assembly, and she had not replaced the grille, so luckily the truck didn't take out a replacement grille because there wasn't one in there. Radiator undamaged. The hood latch area seems to be okay. I mean, as far as damage goes, she was pretty lucky because a little bit farther and he would have taken out a radiator. Oh, rear camera's being stupid again. Thanks for the high beams. Christ, what the hell was that? Shouldn't walk that way, dude. Wow. Thank you for the high beams behind me. It really helps me see.
You're listening to the East End's Easy Favorites on 104.7, the new WELK.
Really helps me see. Maybe some a lot of things you never know. Like why that Honda's up a diddle and on 32.
100.9 K-Hits.
Morning, Kathy. It always turns out good.
Come on, dude. What are you doing?
Dream of a girl I used to know. I love my house and she slipped
What are you doing?
In July 2019. If you missed the boat this past July, find out how you can join the crowd next year. There will be an information session at the Courtyard by Marriott in Norwich Town on Wednesday, September 12th at 7 p.m. This cruise
left turn, asshole.
Have I taken
Someone understand. That's a good place to park with no lights on at all. You can't put on your hazards at least.
Thanks for watching all my crazy videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This is my Dashcam song and I'm gonna sing it. Got 2 pairs in the know I'ma bring it on YouTube. On YouTube.